Alright, so picture this. You're sitting there, sweat dripping off your forehead. You've just spent 12 hours and 37 minutes solving a Leetcode problem. You hit submit, and it says beats 5% of solutions. And then you hit submit again, beats 57% of solutions. You don't actually know what the hell's going on, if your solution is efficient or not. Let's say you go recode another version, and then it's like, oh, it beats 10%, and then you run it again, beats 90%. That's crap. So how do you actually know if Leetcode, if your solution is actually fast or not? Well, if I bring up this code example, uh, I've implemented the diameter of a binary tree problem, and whenever I hit run, it outputs that my first solution, which uses caching, takes 45 milliseconds, and the second version, which doesn't use caching, takes 200 milliseconds, so it's like 4 or 5 times slower than my first solution. But if I used it in Leetcode, if I ran this in Leetcode, it would just be random. So how does that work? Well, in C# there is a library, System Diagnostics, and you can create a new stopwatch, and then you can say stopwatch.start, and then run a for loop with your solution, and then stop the stopwatch, and then you can just print the stopwatch's elapsed property, and that will tell you how long it took between the start and the stop. And what you can do is you can paste in your solution class from Leetcode. So I've done like a public class solution 1 and then a public class solution 2, and then I just put both of those into a for loop, and I will bring up the template file here. I will put this link in the description for you to pretty much copy paste your solutions, and you'll then be able to reliably performance test your Leetcode. So there you go. Hope that's helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you want more tips. See ya.